the big challenges that are facing local government at the moment, for me, there's something about hiring. It's really difficult to hire some of the specialist skills that we need. We're having to think a lot about how much we pay, and that's combined with a high inflation environment. So we're finding it really difficult at the moment. That's also linked to the loss of funding to local governments. There's some real funding challenges, and we're having to be a lot wiser about where we put our scarce resources, and that's been really difficult, and I really see that continuing. And then thirdly, I'd name the cost of living crisis. So particularly for local government, there's a lot more people who need our services. And again, those scarce resources, we're trying to find ways to meet as many people's needs as we possibly can. And the data to help us to do that is one of those big challenges. I think in terms of upcoming trends, I would be one not to mention AI normally, but I've got to go back on that position. I think for so long AI was either a red herring or was way overblown in terms of its strategic importance to digital government, and I don't think we could say that anymore. So for example, at Greenwich Council we've had to publish a holding position on the use of ChatGPT just to keep our residents' data safe and make sure that our staff are really well guided in how they use that technology, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. I can see that there's going to be a massive wave of the use of this across digital government, and that's brilliant. Everything from RPA at the lowest level of machine learning right up to the most mature AI. So it's a real opportunity. It's also something that's going to present a lot of challenges in terms of skills and leadership. I love this event. So I suppose it's a bit of give and take. So what I like to give to these types of events is the idea that every government department, every local authority is unique. So I like to share what we're doing in Greenwich, and hopefully any challenges that we're facing, anything that we've learned, we want to disseminate that as widely as possible. And an event of this scale is a massive way of doing that, so it's really exciting. And then what I get from it is a lot of inspiration. There's such a diverse group of people here. I love to go around and listen to what other people are doing, talk to all the suppliers. We can see some new and emerging suppliers in the marketplace as well. So I love just to wander around, get the atmosphere and pick up on new things that I might take back to my job.